Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see hopefully resolving if your internet cable is not properly plugged in or maybe broken air or you are coming across and running the internet connection troubleshooting utility in Windows 10. I recommend to try router to unplug and plug in again, and router have to reset button on the router itself. Go and reset the router, and you are using ethernet connection, try to unplug and reconnect it. That's it guys, I hope this will help you, and I will do 2 steps. Follow it guys. If you can't resolve it, go to troubleshooter settings, open it up, go to other troubleshooters, and you need to try a network adapter. Run it. Close the troubleshooters. And another one thing you need to do is, if you not resolved this problem, go to search menu and type internet network reset, open it. This will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other network software afterwards, such as VPN clients software or visual switches. Restart, reset now guys, reset it. Yes, you want to restart it guys. It will automatically shut down in 5 minutes. The best way, you go ahead and restart it after. I hope this tutorial hopefully work for you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.